In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with ClickUp. We'll build a simple automation in Make that listens for activity in ClickUp and passes those details into ChatGPT so you can start crafting smart workflows without writing code. Start by opening Make in your browser and signing into your account. From the dashboard, create a new scenario. This opens a blank canvas where we'll add the apps that need to talk to each other. In the app search, type ClickUp, then choose the ClickUp app. When the module list appears, select the Watch Task trigger. This will let Make listen for task-related changes. You'll be prompted to create a webhook, which is just a secure listener that waits for ClickUp to send updates. Click Create a webhook. If Make asks you to connect your ClickUp account, follow the on-screen authorization steps. Once connected, choose your workspace and select All, so the webhook captures events across your chosen spaces, lists, and folders. Save your selections, then save again to confirm the webhook setup. That double save ensures both the connection and the module are stored correctly. Next, click the plus icon on the canvas to add another module and choose OpenAI, the connector for ChatGPT and related models. From the available operations, pick Lists Input Items. This will let the scenario structure what gets passed to ChatGPT, making it easier to feed in the right pieces of task data. In the module configuration, click the highlighted mapping area to bring in fields from the ClickUp trigger. Select Event, so the scenario forwards key details about what happened in ClickUp. This helps ChatGPT understand the context, like whether a task was created, updated, or otherwise changed. Then click Save. You're now ready to test. Click Run once. Make will wait for the next task event from ClickUp. With the scenario listening, you can continue working in ClickUp as usual, and when the next task update occurs, the data will flow into the OpenAI module you configured. If you don't see anything right away, that simply means no new event has been detected yet. Leave the scenario running and perform a typical task change to trigger it. That's the core connection. ClickUp events are captured by a webhook and handed off to ChatGPT through the OpenAI module. From here, you can refine the mapping to include titles, descriptions, assignees, or due dates, and later expand the scenario with prompts or downstream actions based on your needs. When you're satisfied with the test, you can schedule the scenario to run automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy building smarter task workflows with ClickUp and ChatGPT.